Welcome to Blossoms Planet School video classes. Namaste parents and hello my dear kids. This is your art teacher Anuradha speaking. Before going to our class, let's learn a good habit. Help parents in their household work. Kids, today let us learn three different activities. The first one is envelope. For all the three activities, take color papers, black sketch, scissor and Fevicol. Take a color paper and make a square paper from it. For that, fold the color paper into a triangle shape and cut the remaining part. Now fold the tip of the paper into half like this. Now we are having two remaining parts at both sides. Now fold those papers like this inside. Now open the middle paper and open these side papers and fold a bit more inside. And put one paper into another paper at those edges and press them tightly. Now close it and press it tightly. Here we are having two papers. See? So open one paper and close the other paper. Inside like this we are having the envelope. So this is called an envelope. Okay, these envelopes are used to keep money and give gifts when we go to functions. Now let us do a bookmark. Take a big paper and fold it into half. Now again fold it into a triangle shape and cut the remaining part. Open the paper and in middle we will get a straight line. No, cut that straight line. If we do like this, we will get two square papers. Now fold the paper into half and again fold it into another half. Press tightly. We will get this side 4 papers. No, keep 3 papers inside the 4th paper. See, like this, keep 3 papers inside the 4th paper and press tightly. Take your sketch and draw eyes and teeth. Eyes and nose and mouth. Now take a small white paper and first take like this one small white paper and cut them. Cut into a small paper and apply Fevicol. Now paste it under the mouth of the rabbit. This is the teeth. Now take a small paper and fold it into half and cut the paper. See, we got a small paper. Now again fold it into half, again fold it into another half, and see this side it is open end and the other side is closed end. To the closed side draw a C shape and cut the paper. Now open them. These are our ears for the rabbit. Put some Fevicol at the tip of the ears and stick it to the bookmark. This is called our bookmark. Inside draw like this 2 slanting lines. See, I am showing by keeping this to a book. This is called a bookmark. How cute it is, no? Let us make a rabbit. For that, fold the paper into half and cut the remaining part. If we do like this, we will get a square paper. Now open the paper to the middle, fold them again into half, like the same way for which we did for the Joker face. Now at the bottom, first fold it into half like this, and again fold it into the other half from the to the other side. Next, fold it into a half from the first starting tip and close it. For that, turn the paper and close it inside. See, at this tip we got a paper, no? Open that outside. And in the middle the paper is sticked, no? So cut a small part and open it and fold down. Now draw eyes. See, our rabbit is ready. Our rabbit, our bookmark and our envelope are ready. Thank you parents for your massive support, and bye bye kids. Have a nice day.